We camp, we hike, we bike at night, we kayak with all our might. And most of all, we make memories on Bird Rock Vlogs.
Have made it to Withrow Springs State Park in Huntsville, Arkansas. This was one of our very first campsites that we camped at when we got the camper last year, and it's one of our favorites. The boys did go to Walmart. We got here too late. The visitor center wasn't open to get some firewood because we want to roast marshmallows for s'mores tonight. We have Louie here.
I know what I'm gonna put on my s'more. I might put Nutella on.
Ooh, Britton's wanting to try Nutella. We are loving this campsite. This is campsite number 27. It is so awesome. It's got so much privacy. It's got a tent pad.
Plus, watch out. If you come to this, watch out, because if you have kids, there's poison ivy right there, and we were gonna explore in the woods, but we can't because we're worried about poison ivy.
Yeah, there's several places on poison ivy, but you know, that's to be expected, summertime in Arkansas. But I mean, just look at this campsite. It is one of our favorites. So Krish, what is the name of your s'more?
The Christian and Mommy Special.
Does that not look amazing? Is it good, buddy?
Yeah.
So good.
There's one on my hand.
Yes, I'll get you some paper towel to wipe your hands.
having some bacon and some eggs and some pancakes. Mmm, yummy in my tummy, tummy, tummy.
The best part about camping is the hammock time.
Hey, you guys should get people.
So Dad found a river mussel.
River oyster.
River oyster.
Let me get a picture of it there.
All right, guys, what are we going to go do?
We're gonna go feed. We made a spider pet named Bob.
Okay.
Jimmy.
But you can't do it. It's too high up.
But I can make it. No, his bed will break.
There's. Can you see Bob? Yep, there he is. And then we're gonna drop this little fly right into his net, and Bob immediately goes to it.
And eats it.
And it's moving, which is good. That's a good sign.
Yeah.
And first he does a web.
Oh no, Barrett, he fell. Get him.
Where is he?
Right there.
Finally got one of the flies to stick. And now Bob is getting after it.
So I don't know if you can hear that sound, but it's one of my favorite sounds in the world. Out in the middle of the woods, listening to all the crickets and chirps and everything coming alive at night. I just love it. Not sure if you can see, there's some stars out, and just Barrett and I sitting out here talking. Christian's asleep. Brittany just went in. She's laying down. And we are just chilling. Have a good day, babe.
Great day. Long day.
It was a fun day.
It was fun.
So we were just sitting here and we realized we love Withrow. And I know y'all are probably getting tired of our Withrow Springs State Park vlogs. We are about to start traveling farther out of Northwest Arkansas. But one thing why we love Withrow Springs so much is you can completely disconnect when you are here. There's no cell phone service, no internet, no Wi-Fi. You can't even pay to get Wi-Fi here. At some state parks you can pay and get Wi-Fi. But I think that's why it is so special to us, because we can completely disconnect and be around family and be 100% focused on the kids and not have the world coming in, distracting us. So I don't know, I know we've said, you know, maybe in a year or two that will change and they'll end up probably having cell phone service and internet and everything, but right now we love it. And I love any state park or any place we can go and camp that doesn't have internet. I know some people are not like us and want all those, but it's nice to get away from the hustle and bustle of life for a little bit.
It's true. Get caught up in living in a bigger city or wherever and dealing with everything that goes with that, traffic and work. Just coming out here and chilling and relaxing for a couple of days is just what the doctor ordered.
So anyways, I think we're gonna talk a little bit more and call it a night. And tomorrow, do you have anything planned?
Nope.
No?
It's moving day.
Yeah, we'll have to pack up and get ready to go back home. Be our last full week of summer. Britton will start school a week from Monday, so bittersweet, trying to make the most of our last week. Gonna be super hard on this mommy, but we'll get through it. And we are back camping, so we are looking forward.
I know, it's been an uneventful camping trip.
It's been so uneventful and so what we needed, but we are ready to get back on the road and start camping a lot more, seeing other places in the state. So we have some really cool ones booked coming up, so we're excited. So anyways, we'll see you tomorrow. Say good morning. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Britton is about to do her favorite thing, camping. Take the walkie-talkies and go ride her bike. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Alright, go for it. This little boy slept for 11 and a half hours. He put himself to bed last night and didn't wake up till this morning. He was so tired. Did you have a good night's sleep?
Yes, Mama.
So anyways, we're just chilling. It's like 8 o'clock and Dad's still sleeping and Louie's still sleeping, and we don't have any plans really. We have to pack up at some point today, but we're gonna take the last few hours and really enjoy and relax. So Britton was getting her bike to go on our bike ride.
And I heard squeaking, and we found out I had a flat tire.
Her second flat tire. The past 2 times we've camped, she's gotten a flat tire. Or not
Two.
yeah, this is your second since we've been camping. So looks like we'll be paying a visit to Fat Tire Bike Shop this week to get it fixed, huh?
I need a nap.
So the mornings we pack up and go home, we always try to make it an easy breakfast morning. We've got chocolate chip muffins from the Fresh Market, cranberry and orange scones from the Fresh Market, and the kids also wanted some cereal. So delicious. kick it, kick it, kick it. Okay. Break. Whoa!
What's your goal then? No.
The shirt thing. Christian, the shirt thing.
So you can find things at the bathrooms. It's program tours and activities. So I'm looking to see if there's anything today because we missed yesterday's. So I think we're gonna go do the 12 to 12:15 today.
We are walking to campsite number 1 because it's about to start. And there was a lot of people going. Say hi. We're gonna see bones and fur. But just, I think a longer time, a man was shooting dinosaurs.
Guess what kind of animals they are. I can let you know if you're right.
Okay. You can touch them, pet them like it's real.
Yep, that's a raccoon.
What is that?
Yeah, so this is a gray fox.
Then a coyote.
Yes. You're pretty good at this, aren't you?
Don't answer all of them, Brady. Give somebody else a chance.
How do you keep them soft? For
We don't do anything. Just keep them in that tub in a dry and cool place so they don't.
Like you can feel
Deteriorate.
this too. That's a deer bone.
Does anyone know what this is?
No.
No. So, well, you're kind of close. This is the beaver. Here, you can feel his fur. It's pretty thick. It's especially suited for
I
swimming.
feel like this is a flying
This is a
squirrel.
squirrel.
No, that's
a fox.
That's a red fox. And then this is a groundhog.
Is this a skunk?
It is.
What is this down here?
Wow.
That's a rabbit fur.
So did y'all have fun?
Yeah.
What was your favorite thing to pet?
The bunny.
The bunny?
The rabbit.
The rabbit. And
What about you, Fish? What was your favorite
Britton guessed the skunk fur. What was your favorite one to pet?
I have to say all of them.
All of them.
They're all soft, huh?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy it, Dad?
Sure, it was good.
So it was our first time to do any informational stuff at a state park. And I have to say I enjoyed it. I learned
A lot.
a lot.
That's cool. They had
And
a fur for every major animal group that lives here, which was kind of cool. Black bear, coyote, fox,
skunk.
skunk, raccoon,
Yeah. So,
mink. I didn't know we had mink here.
but yeah, if we're at another state park and they have some informational or a tour hike, they do all kinds of stuff.
They do a tour hike. We're going to try to maybe do that later. We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see. So anyways, we're gonna go back to the campsite and chill for a little bit. Sound good?
Yep.
So we made a friend named Bob.
Yep. And now, after all the fun we've had together, it is time for us to say goodbye to Bob.
Bye, Bob.
Goodbye, Bob.
Let's go say bye to his brother.
We've fed you many flies, and I wish you all the best. And look out, guys, I don't want them to jump on you. We wish you nothing but the best, sir. Please go have many babies and live a long and happy life. All right, let's go put him down in the woods.
Can we go say bye to his brother?
We can do that. And there goes Bob.
Bye, Bob.
See you, Bob.
All right, we are 3 minutes until checkout and we are loaded and ready to go.
Cutting it pretty close, but we got it.
We got it.
So, another fun-filled adventure to Withrow Springs. Sad it's coming to an end, but really good, relaxing weekend.
Yeah. Nice.
Not ready to go back to work, but here we go.
Yeah. How did y'all like it?
Awesome. Yeah.
Was it a good weekend?
Yeah.
Y'all ready to start camping some more?
Yeah.
Are we tired?
Yeah.
Christian, you look real tired. Hunter Back says he'll be asleep.
That's right. They're gonna take a
Before we
nap
get-
all the way home so that they're ready to go when we get there.
Yeah. Anyways, y'all ready to sign off?
Yeah.
All right.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe,
And hit that notification bell.
And until next time, never stop exploring.